What's going on, YouTube? This is New Hinges coming to you with another video. We are doing a walkthrough today. So one of the projects that we finished. It's been a long time coming on this project. It's finally done though. So what we got, Josh? Take us through this.
All right, folks. Let's start the walkthrough. So entering into the front door here. I don't know if you guys remember, there was a huge wall. You look straight ahead, but we'll get to that point. But if you want to come on in and take a look at the front living room area here. Quite a spacious area. You notice the piano in the front. And then we'll continue on through to the main dining room area. Before, this was a very, very small room. There was a wall here, and with the door, I believe, wasn't there a door here, Tom?
Yeah, there was a servant's door.
Yeah. A wall with the door that led into the kitchen area. We took that out and just wanted to have a clean flow, kind of that shotgun style. See the chandelier here that really sets things off. Walk on into the kitchen area. We start here with a butcher block island.
Shout out to Nate for the butcher block.
Shout out Nate.
This is actually studs that we repurposed. The wall that we removed, we had them refinish and actually make this butcher block countertop out of it. So shout out to Nate.
Shout out Nate. And then move on to the granite island with the
downdraft hood.
Downdraft hood.
Very European.
There we go.
This works the same as a microwave or a hood over the oven. It's just behind the stove. She wanted to keep it as open as possible without having a hood coming from the ceiling. So that's another solution.
Awesome. Farm style sink here. Walking on into the
this is the pantry here to the left.
Yeah, the pantry. Sorry, guys. So going into the downstairs bathroom here, we completely gutted this thing, and we left the original linen closet there. We just put a little bit of paint and love and love care into that bad boy. So this is the downstairs bathroom here. Pretty straightforward. Let's go into one of the guest bedrooms. Was a complete gut, and we went back with the original trim you see here, and you notice the really cool light fixture. You want to talk a little bit about the boutique here, Tom?
Yeah, so she decided to use one of the bedrooms as a boutique, as she does sell women apparel. So when she's going live, she wanted to have some sort of an aesthetic behind her. So we built a wall, built a wood wall behind her. So when she goes live, standing here, it's a nice backdrop. Chandelier there.
I really love that fixture. All right, we'll head on upstairs. So is this the day room?
Yeah, this is we're gonna count this as a second bedroom upstairs. More than likely, it's a small bedroom. If you got in-laws or small kids, this will probably be where they shop out.
We will roll into the study.
She's gonna use this as a study, day/office space. Small enough, but large enough to have some utility.
Yep.
And then finally, her master suite.
So guys, we want you to understand this, from this point on, you are now in her bedroom. And this is not the most common master suite. This is the master of all master suites. So come on in, we'll show you around here. So if you walk in, you will find yourself, so this is a tub room. Yes, this is a tub room in her master bedroom. So if you walk in, so this is her bedroom area. And you walk into this area, you are now in the closet. We have a little linen closet here where we're gonna put some shelves. But here you are now in her closet, which wraps around and goes around over on this area. A lot of lighting in addition to the can lighting. These are the original doors from the home that we had customized.
Nate, shout out to Nate once again. You're real popular on this video.
There you go. And she also has an ensuite laundry room where we will put her washer and dryer. She's cabinetry. So again.
So every door in this house is original to this house. So we try to patch. The owner wanted them to look as original as possible without much touching, refurbishing. Some we had, some we left original, showing some of the battle scars over the 100 years of the house. So that's a little explanation on some of the doors. She kind of liked the way some of them look with the grit.
On to the ensuite bathroom. You see the double vanity here, walk-in shower. You want to take a quick peek in there? Tony, you want to tell them about this shower?
So the shower is actually, you notice there is no valve to turn the water on and off. It's actually a smart shower, and it's controlled by this knob here. It connects to Google, to Alexa. You can control it from your phone. There's actually an app. So there is no valve. There are no valves for that very reason. And then I'm sure every lady in America is excited to have a bench in the shower.
Let's go.
So, and then there's the double niche there with the glass doors, double vanity when she exits, and then she has a water closet here.
Yep, bathroom's not a bathroom without the water closet.
That's right.
So,
hey, I appreciate you guys sticking with us through this long journey. We'll send you another video on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.
and guys.